Today's challenge is all about extracting text that sits neatly between a pair of symbols, things like parentheses, asterisks, square brackets, and curly braces. This can be tedious with older Excel functions. You would have to combine mid, find, and len in a long and complex formula. But with Excel's new TEXTBEFORE and TEXTAFTER, this task becomes much simpler. To start, we use TEXTBEFORE function to capture the text before one of our closing symbols. It scans the text in a range and returns everything what appears before that character. Curly braces indicate an array, a set of multiple values in Excel formulas, such as the closing parenthesis, the asterisk, the closing square bracket, and the closing curly brace, each one in quotes. If a text string contains multiple closing symbols, like asterisks, we may not want the first occurrence. Instead, we use an extra argument to find the last occurrence. The -1 argument tells Excel to find the last occurrence instead of the first. This ensures we capture the correct portion of the text when multiple closing symbols exist. Now we have the correct section of text, but we still need to remove the opening symbol. To get only the text inside the symbols, we now apply TEXTAFTER. TEXTBEFORE captures everything before the last closing symbol, and TEXTAFTER then removes everything before the first opening symbol, leaving only the text inside. Instead of using multiple old functions, we now have a clean and readable formula that extracts text efficiently. Try it out. Have any questions? Let me know in the comments. See ya!